Good evening, YouTube subscribers. It is January 4th. It is despicably not snowy and miserable, but that will help because I'm doing some fireworks tests. This is what I've been up to the last couple of months in between pumpkin casting videos, and I'm going to try to let these things off. These are flying fish fuse mines for the next Halloween prototype. I am not going to come dashing back towards the camera because the driveway is icy and I have no wish to have a flying swan dive into gravel on YouTube for all to laugh and jeer at, but this is hopefully going to be the next Halloween firework. So here we go. Incidentally, these are phase 2 prototypes. Phase 1 prototype lit, fizzed, popped, fell over. But I didn't think this was anything that couldn't be solved by adding more gunpowder to. So we're going to use escalating amounts of gunpowder until I get hurt or these work. So here we go. Still a bad effect. I'm guessing the fact that the fuses are somewhat insulated from the gunpowder by a layer of tissue paper is causing the problem. I'll keep working on it and hopefully have something for you better next time.